So your tasks for this week are going to start with the Frankenstein quiz. I want you to go ahead and do that first thing on Monday morning, get the quiz taken care of, and then you can start the editable document that is the anticipation guide for our next story, which is the monkey's paw. So there are just some questions. Some of them are kind of opinion questions and personal idea questions that are going to set you up for our reading of that story. So those will be your tasks if you're on pace. So get those done on Monday. Then Tuesday, I'll have the page for Tuesday will actually have a video in there where you'll listen to the audio, and I will be popping in and telling you some things to fill out on a little bit of a chart that you'll create. So when you watch that video, it will tell you how to fold the chart and give you an overview of what you're going to be looking for and putting on there. And so through that video, that kind of follow along, you'll end up completing rows 1, 2, and 3 of your chart. And so you'll just click on the part 1 Tuesday video and follow the instructions there. And then the same thing will happen on Wednesday. It'll be part 2, and you'll complete the final row of the chart. So you'll get to a point in the story where that last row of the question that we're looking for, you'll be able to answer. On Wednesday, we'll also have a meeting, but we'll only have one, and that one won't be until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And that's so that you have time to actually get through and make sure that you're finished and at the end of part 2, because I don't want any spoilers to happen for you. And also that way you can kind of ask some questions and get some feedback as far as what's going on at the end of part 2 by the time that you get there. So I wanted to give everyone ample time on Wednesday morning to try to get to that stopping point and try to be able to join if you can. Then on Thursday, you'll be reading part 3 on your own. So that won't have an accompanying video, but you'll go to the textbook and go to the page, and you'll start reading and actually finish the story yourself. And then you'll see there's an editable PowerPoint that has some slides for you to make a storyboard. So since you can't make one in class on paper, you'll actually sort of be doing an online version of the storyboard where you have some captions and some pictures. So it'll be digital, but it'll be similar to what you would have done in class where you hear. So those are your assignments for the week. The assignment that you'll submit, the storyboard assignment, you actually will have until the end of the day on Monday, October 26th to finish that. So since you're not starting it till later in the week, you can actually take the weekend to finish it up and then just finish it Monday if you need to. And I'll take those submissions up until the end of the day on Monday as far as the storyboard. But definitely let me know if you get in the folder and you have a question so that you can be sure to complete everything correctly and on time. Enjoy the story.